Hi and welcome to the tutorial for Astronauts vs. Aliens, an ABC's tic-tac-toe game that you can use with your kindergartners online to learn their ABCs. This boom card deck by Play Learn Talk includes 26 game boards, one for each letter. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here we have the instructions. We're playing each of these games to the rules of tic-tac-toe, so our goal is to get 3 of our game pieces in a row. Once we get 3 of them in a row, we get to press our trophy, and we can always play another game if we need to rematch. So let's go ahead and click to play. Our first game board is always going to be the letter A. If you want to choose another one, you can click on either the row above or the row below. So let me go ahead and show you the framework of the page. We have 8 vocabulary words that represent the letter, and we have 2 teams, the astronauts and the aliens. Here we have a text box that you can type in carrier phrases like put it on, and then you can draw a line here. So you can have your students say, put it on the astronaut or put it on astronaut. Okay? And you're simply going to play to the rules of tic-tac-toe. So whoever gets 3 in a row first would be the winner. This student would be the winner here, and they would get to click their trophy. So when you're done with the game, you can offer your students a chance to rematch. I guarantee they're going to want to rematch and have an opportunity to beat their opponent. And you simply would go up here and click for navigation. So here we have choose a letter. Now if you want to get to the latter letters, you can go ahead and click here and go down to the lower one, and you have that section here. So the logo Play Learn Talk is always going to take you back to this page, and this one's going to take you back to the original front page. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or send me a message, and you can find this on Play Learn Talk on Boom Learning.